What's the meaning of crypt? Crypt. Crypt.
Crypt. Crypt. The word crypt refers to a hidden or secret place, often underground, where people can be buried or stored. It can also refer to a code or cipher that is used for secure communication. Overall, the term implies secrecy and concealment. The use of crypts dates back to ancient times, when they were commonly used for burial purposes. Today, crypts can still be found in some churches and cemeteries. The word crypt has a mysterious connotation that can evoke feelings of intrigue and fascination in people.